Connectivity. Our team of digital explorers reports that it's becoming easier to connect from across Europe.
Live from Europe's northernmost town.
While it's getting increasingly difficult to disconnect. Connecting all of Europe all of the time, however, is still a work in progress. Depending on where we are in Europe and what we're trying to do, we connect in different ways. To allow our digital explorers to stay connected wherever they go, a couple of upgrades are still needed. Wi-Fi is currently being deployed across public spaces such as parks and libraries, with support from the Wi-Fi for EU initiative. By 2025, the EU wants all public services, including transport and schools, as well as digital businesses, to have 1 gigabit internet connections, while all households would reach speeds of at least 100 megabits per second. With 5G, doctors will be able to provide diagnosis thanks to real-time, high-quality video feeds. You won't have to travel to check in with your specialist. But if you are traveling, cities, roads and railways should have full 5G coverage by 2025. 5G is about a lot more than sending videos and connecting with ease. It will have a major impact on how we move around, for example. And with projected trillions of connected devices, we could quickly travel virtually anywhere with our connected friends. According to some people, that might even be better for the planet.